Hello, dear students. Again, come to our first chapter of biology, reproduction in lower and higher plants. Our today's topic is artificial method of vegetative propagation. Generally, this topic is related to business, which is generally used by any farmer. And you call this technique of artificial method of vegetative propagation as horticulture method. Now, what do you mean by horticulture method? This method is commonly used for garden and fruit plants. This method is commonly used for garden and fruit plants so that you get a big business. Now, when you observe this technique of artificial method, some specific definition is needed. If a one-line sentence is asked, or you call it as VVSA type of question is asked in exam, you have to write definition in a systematic manner, in a lucid language. Plant grower and horticulturalist developed several methods of vegetative reproduction for commercial production of crop. That formation of commercial production of crop is called as artificial method. The methods and techniques of multiplication of plant from vegetative parts for commercial production of desired variety of developed by man is called as artificial method of vegetative propagation. As you know very well, during this method, or as the process of vegetative reproduction involves simple cell division, which you call mitosis, the new plant shows same character like their parents, means they are exact genetic copies of their parent. Therefore, this type of vegetative propagation have three major types. You call one type as cutting method, you call second type as grafting method, and you call third type as tissue culture method. Now, by observing all these three types of artificial method of vegetative propagation, we should continue first method called as cutting. Now, observe the definition of cutting. The method of vegetative propagation in which cut piece of any vegetative organ is used to produce new plant under favorable condition is called as cutting. Means the plant parts like stem, root or leaf can be used for this technique. इसका मतलब अगर आपको कोई एक प्लांट से नए प्लांट बनाना हो तो प्लांट का आप रूट यूज कर सकते हो, स्टेम यूज कर सकते हो, लीफ यूज कर सकते हो, सो दैट यू गेट न्यू जनरेशन विद इन शॉर्ट टाइम. बट one thing should be noted: a favorable season is used here for cutting, which you call it as spring. We generally start from August to September. Even different factors are taken into consideration, such as age of parent plant, season for the vegetative reproduction of a particular species, and length of cutting may vary in different species. Depend करता है कि आपको जो नया प्लांट बनाना है, नया पौधा बनाना है, उसके लिए आपके पास कितना बड़ा पीस है वेजिटेटिव पार्ट का. On the basis of that, this cutting technique is used. When you observe a small piece of any plant organ having one or more buds, which you call primary meristem, then only cutting technique gets success. On the basis of types, depend on part, plant, there are three major types. Name of first major type is called stem cutting, which is best observed in plant like rose and bougainvillea. Second is leaf cutting, example is sansevieria, and third is root cutting, example is blackberry. Now observe the first example by observing a diagram. Potted plant is there regarding rose or bougainvillea. You call that potted plant having roots and a stem as stalk, S-T-O-C-K, stalk. But this rooted plant or a potted plant have no desired characters in form of fruits or flower. That's why another piece of another desired plant is cut down. You call that cutted part of a desired variety as scion. Here, the stalk and scion is mixed or joined with each other. When you observe the second pot, here the scion and stalk get mixed, get joined together, and at that junction, a wrapping is done so that a new plant starts developing, having desired variety. Observe the second diagram. Second diagram belongs to Sansevieria. In this plant, Sansevieria, only leaves are used to form new generation, so that large number of small pieces of leaves are put in soil. Once a favorable season comes, each and every piece of leaf starts developing into a new plant, so that you get new generation within short time, and every plants are genetically similar. Observe the third variety called blackberry. In blackberry plants, generally root cutting is used to develop new generation, so that one matured plant is there, which you call parent plant. From this parent plant, roots are cut down and shifted in another area, so that from that roots you get a new generation. So that all these three diagrammatic illustration clearly shows the method of cutting in artificial method. Now come to second type. You call second type as grafting method. When you observe the grafting method, here also, when you observe the definition, the art of joining parts of two plants together in such a manner that they unite and continue their growth as one plant is called as grafting. इसका मतलब कोई एक ऐसी मेथड जिसमें दो प्लांट के पार्ट को जोड़ा जा रहा है, मिलाया जा रहा है, जिससे एक प्लांट आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएगा और वो प्लांट जो है बेस्ट क्वालिटी का रहेगा, डिजायरेबल वैरायटीज जो है शो करेगा, उस मेथड को बोला जाएगा ग्राफ्टिंग. Here the part of stem containing more than one bud is called scion, SCION, is joined on a rooted plant called as stalk. इसका तो यहाँ पर भी स्टॉक और सियॉन का जंक्शन है. सियॉन में डिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर रहेंगे जो आपको चाहिए नई जनरेशन डेवलप करने के लिए, और स्टॉक जो है वो ऑलरेडी आपके यहाँ का ही प्लांट है, पॉटेड प्लांट है, रूटेड प्लांट है, जिसमें वो डिजायरेबल क्वालिटी नहीं थी. इसलिए उस स्टॉक प्लांट में डिजायरेबल वैरायटी होने के लिए, रहने के लिए आप सियॉन का क्या करोगे, उपयोग करोगे. The cut surface should be held together tightly and the joints is covered with wax to prevent evaporation of water or entry of pathogen. Means it is done between two closely related dicotyledon plant having vascular cambium, because the cambium cells are meristematic in nature which have capacity to divide. Sentence ध्यान से सुनिए, it is important for NEET. कई बार क्वेश्चंस आए हैं इस टॉपिक के ऊपर. Even the stalk should possess an efficient root system. जो रूटेड प्लांट है जिसको स्टॉक बोला गया है, वो काफी इफिशियंट रूट सिस्टम के लिए हेल्प करता है फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर एंड मिनरल, एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ रूट स्टॉक इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट. और वो स्टॉक उतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है जितना इंपॉर्टेंट सियॉन है, बिकॉज द सियॉन इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द प्लांट which have better character of flower or fruits but with a weak root system. लेकिन उस सियॉन जिस प्लांट के ऊपर था, उस प्लांट की रूट सिस्टम अच्छी नहीं थी, इसलिए उस सियॉन को वहां से कट करके ग्राफ्ट करके दूसरे जगह पर लगाया जा रहा है जहां पर रूट सिस्टम अच्छी है. So that both here stalk and scion should be compatible, means capable of uniting for successful grafting. Scion of high quality roses are grafted on wild rose rootstock. Observe the diagram. Again, एक stalk is there which is rooted, जो एक जगह पर लगाया गया है, ठीक है. उसके ऊपर एक सियॉन, एक पीस को लिया गया है कोई दूसरे प्लांट का, चाहे वो सेम स्पीसीज को बिलोंग करता हो, डिफरेंट स्पीसीज को बिलोंग करता हो, और उसको स्टॉक के अंदर में क्या किया जाएगा, इंसर्ट किया जाएगा बाय ऑब्लिक कटिंग. ऑब्जर्व द सेकंड डायग्राम. ऑब्लिकली स्टॉक को कट किया गया था, सियॉन को वी शेप का कट किया गया था, और दोनों को यूनाइट कर दिया गया, दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दिया गया. इसका तो स्टॉक और सियॉन जो है दे आर ज्वाइंटेड in second diagram. In third diagram, observe a wrapping is done around that junction. That wrapping is used because there is no evaporation of water and there is no entry of pathogen, so that a new generation starts developing. Now come to third type. Third type is called tissue culture. Third type is called as tissue culture. When you observe the definition of tissue culture, here the vegetative multiplication of plant by using tissue or organ of plant under aseptic condition on nutrient medium is called as tissue culture. It is also a type of micro propagation. इसका मतलब एक ऐसी टेक्निक जिसमें रूट स्टेम और लीफ को कट करके तो अपन प्लांट डेवलप कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपको और ज्यादा प्लांट चाहिए कम समय में, विद इन शॉर्ट टाइम, इफ यू नीड मोर प्लांट्स एंड ईच एंड एवरी प्लांट गेट सक्सेस, न्यू जनरेशन जो भी डेवलप हो रहा है उसका सक्सेस चाहिए, तो आपको एक ही मेथड से नई प्लांट बनाने की टेक्निक आपको मिलेगी, एंड यू कॉल दैट टेक्निक एज टिश्यू कल्चर. When you observe this method of tissue culture, some methodologies are used here. Shoot apical meristem is used for micropropagation as explant. कोई भी प्लांट का एक पीस जो above the ground surface का हो, above the ground surface का हो, इसका मतलब वो लीफ का भी हो सकता है, स्टेम का भी हो सकता है, फ्लावर का भी हो सकता है, and you call that piece which is used for tissue culture technique as explant. जो पीस है, जो पार्ट है, जो आप नए प्लांट को डेवलप करने के लिए चाहते हो, उस पीस को क्या बोला जाएगा? एक्सप्लांट. सेकंड है फ्रॉम एक्सप्लांट many shoot apices are produced using proper hormone. Third one, it is used to obtain large number of genetically similar plant, and it is best observed in plant like potato, banana, gladiolus and chrysanthemum. Observe the diagram of tissue culture, which is generally called micropropagation. When you observe the first diagram, one plant is there having leaf. Cut the leaf part from tip. You call that cutted part of leaf as explant. Then that explant is grown in a nutrient medium. It divides and redivides so that a group of cells are formed in second diagram. You call that group of cell as callus. Now, in this dish, add some hormones, and generally the hormones which is used here is auxin. Keep that callus in a nutrient medium which is kept in a test tube. Keep it in room temperature under aseptic condition. The cells of leaf starts dividing. It divides in such a manner that first of all root starts developing, because the hormones which you have added in a test tube is a root stimulating hormone, so that a plantlet starts developing. Once the plantlet starts developing in a test tube, you may grow it anywhere on ground, on agriculture field. You get new plants, and that plants which have more success ratio, and you get new plants within short time, and every plants are disease free. That's why tissue culture technique is more better for artificial method of vegetative propagation. Now please read the content from textbook. Our next topic is sexual reproduction in angiosperm. Thank you.